Changing a headlight bulb on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You'll watch other videos where they advise you to go in through the porthole under the fender well. Like right there, it is a waste of time. You really can't get to it from there. I would advise going in through the top, pulling this ECU, there's a clip, pushing it off to the side, gives you more room to work in here. And my bulb was especially tight. I had gloves on and I could not unseat it from the rubber O-ring. So what I managed to do is use a small vice grip like this, put it in, after taking the cover off, which I did get through the porthole in the fender well, but I suppose you could get it off through the top. I used this small vice grip and poked around till I was able to grab onto it to get leverage to unseat it. You may have better luck and not need this, but I did. And that is my advice on this. I'll keep this quick. Hope this helps you. Thanks.